Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload 4K videos to YouTube from your mobile device. Let's get right into it. First, open the YouTube app on your device. Look at the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Next, tap the settings gear icon to access the settings menu. Scroll down to the video and audio preferences section and click on video quality preferences. Here you'll see two options, on mobile networks and on Wi-Fi. Tap on mobile networks and change the option to higher picture quality. Then, below the Video Quality on Wi-Fi section, select the Higher Picture Quality option as well. Now, go back to the home page and tap the plus icon to upload a video. Select the 4K video you want to upload from your Photos app and complete the posting procedure. After uploading, open the YouTube Studio app. At the bottom, click on the Content icon. Tap on the recently uploaded video. Look for the Quality option, and you should see that the video is uploaded in 4K quality. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a 4K video to YouTube. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.